Hello, Mr. Syed. How do you feel about this course duration? The 5 hours asynchronous e-learning and 8 hours in-person workshop.
I think the 5 hours is okay. Like it just covers half a day. It doesn't take up too much of my time for e-learning. For 8 hours, I think it's also just nice because you have a lot to cover during the course. But it doesn't feel too rushed also, and doesn't feel too prolonged for me. Yeah.
You have attended the WCRT, that means WSH Coordinator Refresher Training, right?
Mhm.
How was the peer group assessment? Is it effectively carried out? Was it helpful to learn new ideas and approaches?
Yeah, I mean, I think we did. We shared a lot during the course, so I did learn a couple of new things actually regarding previous incidents and latest ones as well. I feel like I learned quite a bit during this course today actually.
What's your total feedback in total, sir, about training and training center, about the trainer?
Everything is fine. Yeah, I feel like the course wasn't too draggy. I feel like everything was covered in its own time. Wasn't too prolonged. I mentioned. And I feel like the location of the center, everything is very convenient, it's centralized. Food was easy during break, there's a water cooler for everyone. So, yeah, I think it's good.